here we are again. Another week, another walk. Back to my same little spot. As usual, this will all make sense at some point, I'm sure. Capturing images for a photo book idea. Ultimately, the reason for saying that out loud is so that, well, actually I hold myself accountable. I talk about accountability a lot. And saying things out loud often helps with that process. But yeah, still, not sure where to take this, what to do with this. I just like the idea of just being out. I don't really know how to share that right now. But yeah, I think it's just kind of experiencing a day, a morning, couple of hours walking around. I think my sort of thinking last night around, what shall I share or what shall I talk about? I kind of started to think about the like coffee with idea and sitting down and just rambling whilst making a coffee. So maybe not so much the walk part, just the coffee part, the relaxed part, the bit that actually people probably don't do, which is sitting. But anyway, let's see. It's nice. Cold but nice. In the modern world, we talk about medicine in all sorts of ways, but no one really talks about this being medicine. Medicine for the soul. Finding some nice little quiet spots, trying to think about where I can find little nooks and crannies in a busy woodland that are just peaceful, quiet, and that I can come to when it does get busier, sort of through the springtime. Never really considered this little spot. There we are. I'll have to give it a go once the greenery grows up a bit. Morning. Nice little cheeky midweek coffee in the woods. No real walk, but just a little something before work, really. It's quite nice. I mean, some people might say that the weather in here is horrendous, a little bit foggy, almost my favourite conditions, but just nice to see daylight. And now just gonna sit on a log, make some coffee in my favourite little patch, and actually watch the mist and the fog roll through the woods. It's actually pretty beautiful in here, really. I'm gonna sit over there and chill out, maybe. Oh, chilly, even for me. Look at this. Coffee and fog. Still got to go to work though. Someone's chainsawing the absolute hell out of something over there in the distance, but still. A little less wind would be nice. But we can live with that. Just gonna go and sit down now and just enjoy this.